your raindrop from thin to thick bottom, looking through, and on the bottom, nicely designed. It is easy to clean and maintain. Rubber washers, bolts, metal design, bulb not included, black accent, with the pole sticks out 4 inches. Maximum rating 60-watt bulb. In black, the Raindrop light, 1-inch E26 bulb not included, with the thicker bottom wide angle, in black accent, clear. For further details about your product and the ones you are after for your powder room, bathroom, dressing room, and more, enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for. From the makers of D-Night, it's a raindrop schooner for the bathroom or anywhere that you want to hang up. They come in 2 colors, black and gold, and they come in 2 types of glass, frost and clear. You get an instruction guide, 110 volts, very easy to hook up. We're going to show you what you get inside the box and how nicely well it's protected. As we move out of the protective foam, it is hand packaged in plastic, as well as the glass teardrop. You get the hardware included. Bulbs are not included. Please add special E26 bulb on. The clear teardrop over the bulb and through the holes to lock into place. On the back of the unit, you have your hanging bracket. Remove the 2 screws, 1 on each side, and hook up to your load, neutral, and ground. In this demonstration, we're showing you the light hooked up to the wall, the teardrop in clear glass and black. In black, the Raindrop light, 1-inch E26 bulb not included, with the thicker bottom wide angle, in black accent, clear. For further details about your product and the ones you are after for your powder room, bathroom, dressing room, and more, enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for.